look at this defensive activity out of Meganese. Not enough to stop the dagger from Tominaga, though.
Welcome to J-League Basketball, Keisei Tominaga. Petrovic. Oh, big block. Broderick Thomas again.
Broderick Thomas is having a phenomenal game.
Keisei with the bank shot.
I'm going to start believing Deontay Burke.
Quite the night that Steph busted out in Paris, huh?
Oh, unreal. Had me screaming at my television.
Keisei, second side. Oh, that was crafty, CJ.
That was beautiful. The spin on that would have made any fool.
And out. Here's Tominaga again.
The English on that baby. Woo!
That was impressive.
Very Steph Curry-esque.
Tominaga back in. Shot fake, jab step, let it rip. Boom.
You get sized up like that. The jab step. Versus just 16 for Meganese.
24-point difference there in an 11-point game. Tominaga, no points in the paint necessary there.
Ng kanyang kahangahangang debut noong 2023 FIBA Asia Cup, hindi pa muling nakapaglaro ang Filipina-American player na si Vanessa De Jesus para sa Gilas Pilipinas Women. Sa kanyang unang pagsuot ng national colors, nakapagtala si De Jesus ng averages na 12.8 points, 1.8 rebounds at 3.2 assists upang matulungan ang Gilas na mapanatili ang pwesto sa Division A ng Asia Cup. Nakatakda pa sanang maglaro si De Jesus noong 2023 Jones Cup at Hangzhou Asian Games. Sa kasamaang palad, inanunsyo ng Duke University na nagtamo ang 22-year-old guard ng isang knee injury. Higit isang taon nang nakalipas, patuloy ang recovery ni De Jesus at pinaghahandaan na ang susunod na season ng NCAA. Kaya kumpiyansa si Gilas Women Head Coach Patrick Aquino na muling makasama sa pambansang kupunan si De Jesus.
Unfortunately, the school didn't permit her to come over to join us here because of the length of or the period of time for yung recovery na was not yet done. So she told me naman na when she's done and she's free to come here, she'll be joining us.
Magbabalik aksyon ang Gilas Pilipinas Women sa World Cup pre-qualifying tournament na 2025 FIBA Women's Asia Cup sa China at sa 2025 Southeast Asian Games na gaganapin naman sa Thailand.